What's up, guys? I don't know if you could hear it's whining. My car is whining, so I need to change my fuel pump. So just got home from my morning work, doing my Evo. I don't know if you can hear that sound right there. Yep, somewhere over here. Yep, sounds like it. But I have a newer fuel pump. It's not new, but it's a used fuel pump. Here is from John. It's a Walbro 255. So I'm gonna change it today and perfect. So that's my fuel pump. It's so cool. Check out the seats. There's just a tab, 2 tabs, and then the seats are out. And there's my fuel pump right there. Change it to a Walbro 255, and look at seat. Seat. That's my seat. So I need a Phillips screw. Perfect. And then so I could take those 4 screws. Seat. Go seat that right here. Do my fuel pump. I'm not sure if it's easy, but let's see. Oh, there it goes, it's out. Okay, right there. I'll show you guys. So I know that I'm gonna take out this wire. It's like the power for the fuel pump. Pressure hose, this one, and then there's another one right there, and then those are small bolts around. Yep, that's all. Like so I am gonna take that one out, and then I'm gonna crank the car so there's no pressure on my fuel pump. Do it one more time. Okay. The fuel pump right there. You can see it. Fuel. Hey, look at that. It's leaking fuel because it's full tank. But yeah, let's go. Right. Let's proceed right here. This rubber, lose this. People looks really old like that right there. Look. This really looks really old. We're gonna reuse this thing. Reuse that. Reuse that. Reuse this. So this is the 3 parts I'm gonna reuse right there. It's really old. The heck. It's my 255. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put this one first. Put the ring. And where's the next one? This one. This one. Look at that, it's cracked. Oh no! So I'm gonna get a new one. Already, it's in. And I'm gonna, the O-ring is in, and I'm gonna put this one, this thing. And then I'm gonna lock it. it's snug. Sure it's plugged in. Going back in. Going back in. It's the old freaking one. Dirty. Gotta put this thing into. Going in. There. There's the grooves. You never see the grooves. Okay, it's in.
Perfect.
Don't tight it too much because it's really smooth. Double check. I don't want to strip it. Okay, good. 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 So, that's all the bolts. Down in. Down in. Down in. And then I'm gonna put this one in. That's the last thing. And then it should be done. And then let me try start it and we'll see. It will take a couple tries, but we'll see. We'll see if there's any leak. Sounds like working. Success! Success!